Hello students. So today we are going to study the next point of chapter number 1, that is organ system. So students, open your textbook page number 116-7. Okay. So in last video we had learnt about the body. Our body or a human body is divided into three main parts. First is the head, second is the trunk, and third is the limbs. Okay, and our body have two types of organs. First is the external organs, second is the internal organs, and all these organs also have organ system that we are going to study today. So the following are the main organ system in our body. So student, these are all organ system that are in our body. Okay. So first is the skeletal system, second is the muscular system, third is circulatory system, fourth is respiratory system, fifth is digestive system, sixth is nervous system, seventh is excretory system, and eighth is reproductive system. So students, these all are the organ system of our body, and these all today we are going to see how these organ systems are working in our body. Okay students. So student, turn the page. So first is let us learn about these organ system. So first organ system is a skeletal system. Okay. So look at this diagram. This is a diagram of skeletal system. If we touch our body, we can feel some hard parts inside. Okay. So student, if we touch our body, then we feel they're having some hard parts inside our body. Okay. So these are our bones. So these hard parts are our bones. See, look at in this diagram. These are the hard parts, and these hard parts are called bones. Okay, all the bones together form a framework known as the skeletal system or a skeleton. Okay, so when these all bones are formed together, or this framework of a bone is called skeletal system or a skeleton. Okay, the functions of the skeletal system are as follows. Okay, so student, these all bones of our body are called skeletal system, and these all bones of our body or framework of our body is called skeleton of our body or a skeletal system. Okay, now we will see the function. Function means the work, how they are working in our body, how our skeletal system is working in our body. So first, give shape and support to our body. Okay students, so because of this skeletal or skeletal system, our body get support, our body get shape and support. Second, protects the soft internal organs such as heart, lungs, and stomach. And these bones or these all skeleton, they are protecting our internal organs. For example, heart, lungs, and stomach. Third is helps in the movement of different body parts. Okay, and because of this skeleton system, we can easily move our body part. Correct. We can easily move our hand, we can easily move our legs, we can easily move our neck also because of this bone or because of this skeleton system. Okay, so student, these are the function or the working of our skeletal system. Then second is muscular system. The soft parts under the skin are called muscles. Okay, all we have the muscles. Okay, or the soft parts under the skin are called muscles. All the muscles together form the muscular system, and all these muscles when they together form are called muscular system. Now see the function of this muscles or muscular system. So first is needed for stretching and bending our hands and legs. Because of this muscular or system or muscles, we can easily bend our hands और legs. मतलब मसल की वजह से ही हम हमारा हैंड फोल्ड कर सकते हैं और बेंड कर सकते हैं. सेकेंड, helps us to perform various actions such as walking, running and lifting. And because of only this muscular system, we can easily walk, we can easily run and we can easily lift our body. मतलब मसल की वजह से ही हम बाकी के जो एक्शंस है एज लाइक वॉकिंग, रनिंग एंड लिफ्टिंग कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So third organ system is circulatory system. Okay, so the heart, blood and blood vessels, arteries and veins form a circulatory system. See in the diagram. This is diagram of circulatory system. Heart, veins, arteries together are called circulatory system. The functions of the circulatory system are as follows. So student means heart, veins or arteries, when they are working together, so this system is called circulatory system. The heart pumps blood to all parts of our body with the help of blood vessels. When the heart, so this is the when heart pumps the blood to all parts of the body with the help of blood, see these are the blood vessels. तो हार्ट क्या करता है? हार्ट ब्लड सबको सब बॉडी पार्ट्स को सप्लाई करता है. ओके, द आर्टरीज कैरी ब्लड फ्रॉम द हार्ट टू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ आवर बॉडी. सो दीज आर द आर्टरीज. सो आर्टरीज क्या करते हैं? आर्टरीज हार्ट से ब्लड लेते हैं और और दे आर सप्लाइंग द ब्लड टू अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. तो आर्टरीज क्या करते हैं? आर्टरीज हार्ट से ब्लड लेते हैं और वो बॉडी के जो डिफरेंट पार्ट्स है वहां पे सप्लाई करते हैं. द वेन्स कैरी ब्लड फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ आवर बॉडी टू द हार्ट. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ वेन्स? सो वेन ऑल्सो कैरिंग द ब्लड फ्रॉम द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी टू द हार्ट. तो वेन्स क्या करते हैं? वेन्स जो वो बॉडी के जो डिफरेंट पार्ट्स है वहां से ब्लड लेते हैं और वो कहाँ पे लेके जाते हैं? हार्ट में ले जाते हैं. ओके, so when these three organs they are working together, so this system is called circulatory system. Okay, so student, today we have learned about skeletal system, then muscular system and the circulatory system. Okay, so these three are the important system of our body, and remaining organ system of our body we will discuss in our next video. Okay, so you have to read all these three organ system and complete your homework and draw the diagram of circulatory system. Okay students, thank you.